Okay, now we install the machine. This is the shortwave working hat, and we should match the red point. Okay, match the red point here, and then insert. You just need to push. That will be okay. When you want to remove this working hat, there are two steps. Okay, the first step is we should push back this position and then pull back the whole part. That will be finished. Okay, now we install again. And next one is the RET, CET working hats. Okay, you can see that there are different needles inside. We just need to match the hole. There are 4 holes and 5 holes that match the holes, and then press. That will be okay. Okay, 4 holes and the 5 holes. And when you want to remove that, press this silver button first. Press and then pull out. That will be okay. Okay, next one is the EMS facial working hats. Okay, we just need to match the hole inside and then press. And others, the same operation. Okay, it's the same. Okay, this is the shortwave working handle, and there are total 7 reprise hats for this working handle. Okay, when you want to change another working hat, we just need to turn this working hat. Okay, and then change the new one and tie it. That will be okay. And other working hats are the same operation. Okay. Okay, this is the CET working handle, and there are total 4 reprise hats for option. When you want to change another working hat, the same. We just need to turn, remove that, and then install the new working hats and tie it. That will be okay. And the same operation with the CET working handle. Okay, and the same operation with this working handle. Okay, it is same. There are total 4 reprise hats for this working handle. Okay, when we start the machine, we will enter into this screen. There are total 4 languages for option. Now we choose English. You can see that there are 4 functions for option. The first one is the shortwave. You can choose the treatment area and setting the frequency, setting the energy according to your requirement. After that, press Start button. Okay. And next function is the EMS fixture. You can adjust the modes and the power and setting the treatment time here and choose the working hats. Okay, after that, press Start button. And next function is the CET. Okay, you can adjust the power here, adjust the treatment time, Start button. Okay. Okay, the last one is the RET function. The same operation with the CET, setting the power and setting the treatment time. After that, press Start button. Okay, for the shortwave treatment, we have to adjust the frequency, okay, and adjust the power. After that, press Start button, then we can start the treatment. You just need to put the working handle on the treatment top. That will be okay. Okay, before doing the RET and CET treatment, we have to put this plate to contact the skin directly. Please make sure this plate should contact with your skin directly, okay? And we have to put the gel before doing this treatment. For this working handle, you can choose the working head according to your treatment area. Now doing the treatment on the body, so you can choose the bigger size of the working head. It is the same operation with this working handle. You choose the working head according to the treatment area, and then you can start the treatment. Okay, now we will do the EMS Fit0 treatment. Before doing this treatment, we have to put some water on the foam and make sure they get wet. Okay, and after that, we should put these two pieces on the treatment part together and press, and setting the parameter on the screen, then we can start the treatment.